Okay, so today during math, we're going to be working on making the numbers 14, 15, and 16. First, we're going to watch a video.
Jada wants to write an equation to tell how many counters in all. She uses a double 10 frame and two color counters to do so.
I'm going to do the math.
Jada finds that filling a 10 frame gives her a group of 10 ones. What color is the group of 10?
Okay, so yesterday we only had one 10 frame to work with, and our extras had to go on the outside. But today we actually have two 10 frames. So we filled up one, and then we put our extras in the other. What color is the group of 10? Is it red or yellow?
The group of 10 is red. How many extra ones are there? What color are they?
Okay, so the extra ones are in the other 10 frame. How many are there? What color are they? Think about it to yourself. Let's see if you're right.
There are 4 extra ones. They are yellow. What equation can Jada write?
Okay, so now we're thinking to ourselves, how can we write an addition equation to show what we're seeing in this picture? We have 10 ones and we have 4 ones. So what two numbers can we add together? And when we add them together, what will our sum be? Let's see.
She writes 10 plus 4 equals 14. There are 14 counters.
All right, let's try it. Okay.
How many counters are there? Drag the counters into the 10 frames. Fill in the top 10 frame with red counters first.
Okay, so they want us to fill this top 10 frame with the red counters first. So we're going to drag them over and put one in each spot. Miss Frem likes to go left to right when she fills up her 10 frame and top to bottom, just like when we are reading a book. You know I don't like those extra spaces. Okay, so I filled the top 10 frame with the red counters first. So now I'm going to put the yellow counters in the extra 10 frame. And as you can see, it's counting how many I'm putting in, and then it's counting how many we have in all for the sum. And done. So I have 10 red counters in the top 10 frame and 6 yellow counters in the bottom 10 frame. So 10 plus 6 equals 16.
Jada has another set of counters and writes an equation to tell how many counters in all. How many counters does she put into the top 10 frame? She makes a group of 10 counters and fills the top 10 frame. She places 6 counters in the bottom 10 frame. Then she writes 10 plus 6 equals 16. Does Jada write an equation to match her counters?
Okay, let's see if her equation matches her counters. She said she has 10 ones, and there's a red box around it to show that it's matching her red counters. Does she have 10 red counters? Yes, she does. Then she uses Gus the plus because she's adding. She's making two numbers, putting them together to make a greater number. Then she says that she has 6 yellow counters. Let's check. Does she? Yes, she does. So 10 plus 6 equals 16. In order to check that, we can count on from 10 and see if we end up at 16. So let's do that. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it seems like she was right. 10 plus 6 equals 16.
Yes, the 10 matches the red counters and the 6 matches the yellow counters. There are 16 counters. Now you know how to make 14 and 16.
Great job. Okay, so today, when you do your math assignment, you're going to be doing interactive workbook pages 573 to 575. Again, if you are not sure what to do, please make sure that you read the questions on the bottom of the page. If you need any assistance, feel free to reach out.